Hi guys, my name is Chelsea Spence and this is my introduction presentation. I currently work in the Eastern Lancaster County School District, also known as Elanco or Garden Spot, and I specifically work at New Holland Elementary. Next school year will be my 5th year teaching. I started teaching in 4th and then I transitioned into 3rd, and next year will be my first year working in 2nd grade, which was by choice, so I'm actually pretty excited about it. I'm looking forward to seeing, what adventures happen in 2nd grade. I really liked 4th and 3rd, so I'm excited to see where 2nd takes me. I received my bachelor's in education at Millersville as well, and last year I finished up my first master's program in technology and innovation, which was awesome, but I decided to jump right into another master's program, and so I'm going for language literacy with an ESL concentration. And the reason that I chose that is because my wife is French, and so we've talked about possibly transitioning to France in the future, and so hopefully this is something that could help me if we decided to make that move. We've been married for 3 years and just recently bought our first home in Lancaster City, and we're huge Lancaster fans. We love to ride our bike around town, to the market, all the different restaurants. We have a cat named Charlie who likes to play fetch and is very outgoing. Some of my favorite hobbies, I love to be outdoors, kayaking, hiking. I love yard games, can jam. I just actually signed up for a summer cornhole league, so that'll keep me busy over the summer as well as this course. I teach or coach Girls on the Run. I love to travel, and in the next couple of slides, I'll show you some places that I've been, and I love trying new and unique foods. So there's just an old picture of a Girls on the Run season, and if you're not familiar, it's just an after-school program where you teach girls how to develop self-esteem and just be overall good citizens, and then you're also training to run a 5K at the end of the season, which is always a really good time. Although this past season, it was at F&M and it was torrential downpour. So that one was not quite as fun as other seasons, but the girls loved it. And I know that they'll remember it forever. So it was still a good time. There's just an example of some foods that I've tried. That was a seafood dish where it had some different things on there that I wasn't even sure what they were. There's me kayaking. I spent some time in London not too long ago. And from London, we then flew to Croatia and spent some time there. This is a famous park in Croatia. We actually spent time in Split, and then this was just an excursion we did at a famous park, I believe, hopefully I'm saying this correct, Plivice Park. We also did an excursion where we took a speedboat out to see the famous Blue Caves, which was really fun. You can obviously see why they're called the Blue Caves. That's just a very picturesque picture of where we stayed, which was a town called Split, right on the water there. It was just beautiful. We spent some time in San Francisco, made it out to Yosemite, the Redwood Forest, of course the Golden Gate Bridge, and also spent some time in France, since my wife is from France. She's from 4 hours south of Paris, though. But we did spend some time in Paris and did some hiking in the south of France, which was amazing. You can see in the mountains, and there were wild horses there. It was pretty incredible. And so that's all I have for you, but I look forward to watching your posts and getting to know you and working through this course. All right, thanks for listening.